What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Zebec Network, or ZBCN. A lot of coins are pumping today. Unfortunately, Zebec is down 8.1%. I'm really not too concerned about that. I think this is just a little bit lagging, and eventually we will see that pop that a lot of the coins are currently experiencing. We're at $110 million market cap, extremely small market cap for this coin, guys. Can easily do a 50 plus X from here. I mean, a 10X is only $1.1 billion market cap, which is easily obtainable during a bull run. Now, the all-time high is 10 months ago at 50 or at 003. All-time low was also 7 months ago at 009. If you're currently looking to pick this coin up, it's available on quite a few exchanges: HTX, Gate.io, DigiFinex, KuCoin, Hotbit, BitGet, Metro. You have 3 different pages down here, so if you want it, you can find it. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ZBCN. All right, everybody, let's get into ZBCN, Zebec right here. A lot of coins are pumping. Unfortunately, this is retracing. I'm really not too concerned about this retracement because the indicators are looking fantastic for a reversal here in the next day or two. What I mean by that is the stock RSI, the blue is not over the orange yet, but the blue is at a local bottom right here, a normal area in which we bottom out, which is usually the most opportunistic time to buy it, in my personal opinion. Every time the blue comes down to one of these bottom levels is usually an optimal time to pick some up because it's always followed by a pretty heavy bullish reversal to the upside. As you can see, every time we've been down here, we've always reversed pretty heavily back to the upside sooner rather than later. Now, the WTX is a little high right now, but I'm not too concerned about that because we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows since January 2025. So if I draw an uptrend support area for this right now, what we're currently looking for is a possible, yes, possible retracement down here before we see another rally to the upside. And then you have the RSI, similar situation. You have a higher low currently forming. And what we want to focus on here is bottoming out and looking for that V-shaped bottom and reversal to the upside as well. I think it's just going to take a little bit of time. Unlike a lot of other coins, this one isn't really pumping right now. Even though that MACD, had a large bearish candle today. But the big thing that I want to point out to you guys here is, yes, a lot of coins are pumping, and eventually this will have its time. The big thing I want to point out here is you're holding up very nicely at the 618 support area, which the 618 is called the golden pocket. When you're above it, it acts as a very powerful support area, which you normally get a reversal off of. For example, you can see you did test it back here on February 2025 and got a nice bounce off of it. And we're currently testing it right now as support. My personal opinion, there's no reason for us to break below this 1.4, 1.5 area. Yes, we can wick below it, but I don't think we're at a hard candle below it whatsoever. If anything, this might be the best time to buy it, just like I mentioned, with the opportunistic time with the stock RSI here at about this 1.4 or 001 cent area on the day chart. Now, if we look at the short-term time frame, such as the 4-hour, similar situation is kind of showing that the bottom is in here at the 618. Yes, we saw a heavy wick down to 0013, but overall, we haven't broken a hard candle below this since February 2025. I don't think there's any reason to worry right now. Yes, other coins are pumping, but eventually they will roll over into coins like this with smaller market caps. So that's currently what we're looking for here for Zebec, is staying above that 0014 area. And that would be where I would be looking for a bounce. Not financial advice. If I own this coin, I just put a buying order at that 0014. If it hit, congratulations. I think we'll see a heavy reverse from that. I don't think we're going to be breaking below 0014 and crashing down here whatsoever. I think this is probably the last opportunity to pick this up around here before we see some heavy rally to the upside. We just saw a huge shakeout in the crypto market with Bitcoin crashing. And guess what? It was manipulated, in my personal opinion. What happened? We got this heavy manipulation with Bitcoin crashing, and then all of a sudden the United States announced a strategic crypto reserve and everything starts pumping. There were some big players that were able to get into Bitcoin at a rather cheap price, and now it's time for the next leg up for all our coins, boys and girls. We've gone over it several times about alt season, right on the cusp. We've shown different charts and everything like that. The bull run's gonna be over at the end of this year, October, November of 2025. So you better lock in and get ready, because you make one wrong move and guess what? Your chances of being rich or just being financially free are out the door. So lock and load. No more messing around. Focus. I do think we are at a current bottom right here at 10014, and we will see a significant rally from this point on. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.